Gold and silver markets are exposing a long-running scam. What if I told you that the glittering world of gold and silver isn't just about safe havens and bullion bars, but a long-running scam quietly playing out behind the scenes? This is a story of manipulation, misdirection, and unchecked promises in the precious metals markets. Most of us grow up hearing that when stocks wobble, gold and silver save the day. Buy the shiny metals, hedge your risk. But what if this narrative is built on shaky ground? Beneath the gleaming surfaces of bullion lies a darker truth: systemic manipulation, high-risk exotic deals, and countless investors who've been sold a misleading dream disguised as hard asset security. The promise of safety and its shadow. We've all heard it. Gold is your safe shelter when the dollar drops. Yet regulators warn that many precious metal deals are anything but safe. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, issues alerts about ads and pitches designed to fleece investors by exploiting that very safety instinct. Why does the fact that an investment is labeled gold or silver give us such confidence? Because we believe metal equals tangible, equals secure, but scammers know that and use it. The mechanics of the scam. Here are some of the red flags to watch for. A salesman says you only need to pay 15 to 25% of the total purchase price. The rest is financed. Then, when prices fall, you're forced to cough up more. You're told to roll over your retirement savings into a gold IRA and buy physical bars with huge markups. You're told there's limited supply, and you must act now. Urgency is created where none is needed. You don't actually get the physical metal, or you pay for storage with hidden fees, and the dealer refuses to verify where it's held. Bottom line, a lot of these precious metal deals are less about metal and more about exploiting trust. Market manipulation, beyond simple scams. The promise of rising prices forever for gold or silver becomes part of the myth. If large institutions can bend the market, then the idea of the small investor automatically wins by buying metal becomes more fragile. The smaller the market, silver especially, the easier it is for big players to move it, but the more vulnerable small investors become. Why it's so persistent? So why does this keep happening? A few reasons. Emotional appeal. Gold and silver evoke archetypes of value. They feel tangible, indestructible, ancient. If someone says, "Buy this to protect your family," it hits at a deep level. Lack of regulation. While many investments are tightly regulated, physical metal sales often operate in a gray zone, making them fertile ground for abuse. High stress moments. When markets are volatile, when inflation is high, when the news is scary, people look for something I can hold. That's when the pressure hits. Buy now, lest you lose out. What you can do without making it dry. Instead of just saying, "Be careful," here's what you can actually ask. Ask for delivery. Am I getting the physical metal? Where is it? Have I received a certificate? If they can't show you, walk away. Check the dealer. Are they licensed/registered? Is there a history? If they reached out to you, it's a red flag. Avoid pressure tactics. Are you being told you must act now? Does the deal seem too good to be true? If yes, it likely is. Understand fees. Are there storage fees, financing fees, hidden marks? If you haven't been told about them up front, there's a risk. Diversify. Even if you believe in metals as part of your portfolio, don't treat it as the only safe asset. No asset is bulletproof. Don't let the shine fool you. The glint of a gold bar may feel unbreakable, but the system around it can be fragile, manipulated, and even predatory. If you want real protection, do your homework, question the hype, and remain curious. Hit subscribe. Share this video so others wake up to the shimmer and scam of safe metal investments. And let's keep asking the tough questions together. Because whether it's gold, silver, or any sure thing, the truth matters.